Alright, I have this Husqvarna that I gotta do a carburetor cleaning on. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. First thing, taking off the hood. Open your hood. You'll have to take your wire harness for your lights, which usually clips on. Pull that off. Put the hood about halfway. Well, maybe this one ain't like that. There it goes. It was just stuck in there. About halfway and lift up. Okay, air cover off. Take your air filter off. All right, these are 10 millimeters. And you gotta get your rubber hose off. This hose isn't in the greatest shape, but it'll be okay. Take your wire off for your fuel shut off. Electric fuel shut off. Get your gas line off. Probably want to get a drain pan so the gas drains in your drain pan. Mine has a shut off, so the gas is already shut off. Pull that out. Your choke rod. Okay, that one's back there. Put that back on there. So that came back, or it came off. All right, and there's a ground wire that you got to get off. That's mounted to the carburetor. And that's 8 millimeter. All right. These are 1/2 inch. You get your electric fuel shut off. You put a device. Watch you don't go too tight and break things. Someone tighten that one a little tight. All right, so we're gonna take that off. It works, so we know that works. Yeah, there's stuff in there. So I'm gonna spray that off. Remember, either wear gloves and eye protection so you're not getting your eyes. There you get a little needle nose pliers. Take that pin out. Remember, you got a needle back here. It's right there. We're gonna spray all this out. Spray it out real good. Daughter brought me coffee out, so if you heard her, that was her. And you're gonna spray every little hole that you got. There's one on the side here. That works. Alright, I'm going to get the air. I'm going to blow through all the holes. That helps a lot to blow in the holes. Pushes everything out that shouldn't be in there. Alright, that should do it. So we'll put the float back on, make sure it's clean. Don't lose that little needle, because if you do, you have to rebuild or buy a rebuild kit. Tighten that back up. Alright, we should be ready to put it back on the mower. Alright, so we're going to put our ground back on. You got to hold in on that shield to get it started in there. All your throttle rods and choke rod back on. I'll slide that back on there. Get your gas line back on. Alright. Put that back on. 10mm socket to get the nuts put back on there. Don't forget to put your rubber line back on. Definitely don't forget to hook your wires back up, because if you don't, you won't get fuel in the motor. That's an electric shutoff. It's supposed to keep it from, if something goes wrong, it keeps it from gas going into the motor or draining your whole gas tank out on the floor. So now we're going to see if it's going to start. Okay, let's see if it's going to stay running after I clean the carburetor. There it is. Alright, we're going to put the air breather back on. Rear cover back on. On your hood. Hook your wiring up for your lights, and there you go. All done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.